Mermaids, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you what Sephora has included in their favorite summer hair set. So they have come with this Sephora Favorite Hair Holy Grails Summer Essential. This bag contains product worth of 111 American dollars value, but you get it only for $38, which is great, and it has total of 13 different products. Some of them have deluxe size and some of them are sample. It's good to have these types of value set to try high-end product before investing in the full size. Now without wasting any time, let's open this bag and see what we all got here. This bag is actually very big, soft, cute. Also they have mentioned each and every hair product at the back of the pamphlet, which is very good. Also I wanna say a little disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. I got this bag with my own money. I just wanna try some good high-end hair products, so I thought it's the good way to start and splurge in this type of value set. Now without wasting any time, let's open this bag. So the first thing which I can see is Living Proof Frizz Instant De-Frizzer. You know my hair is frizzy, and this is like, I have heard so many good things about this, so I am definitely going to try this. This is softness and shine anytime, get smooth between shampoo. It is dry conditioning, I cannot even read. It is dry conditioning spray, so it's good. You have to just spray in a sweeping motion, soothe hair with hands or comb. So definitely I'm going to try this. The range of, like, all the range of Living Proof, I have heard like it is so good. So yeah, that's good to have. And also this is 2.8 ounce bottle. Now next I can see is Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist Dry Bar, and it is also like, I have never heard about this brand, so I don't know. It protect up to 450 degree Fahrenheit, that is 232 degrees Celsius, and this is 1.5 ounce bottle, which is like good size to try. Next I can see is Balaiah Endless Summer Spray. Create soft and subtle texture, and this is SLS paraben free UV protectant, which is good, and this is 0.85 fluid ounce. And what else? Use mist throughout damp or dry hair. Apply directly to exposed area of the scalp for natural sun protection. So okay, that's good. Next we have Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo shampooing, and actually I have heard so many good things about this Amika brand, especially their dry shampoo. So it's good that they have included this in their value set, and this one is 1 ounce, that is good, and it is cruelty free, and the bottle is recyclable. Also yeah, that's it, nothing they have mentioned much. So yeah, it's good to have this. Next we have Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer Base Thermo Protective Anti UV. Oh, that's actually great. You have to spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. So this is the hair primer, like you can use it as a primer as well as a heat protectant, that's good. And this is 2 fluid ounce, and also this is for dry to very dry hair. I have dry hair, so definitely going to try this. Now next what I can see is IGK Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner. I have never ever heard about this brand actually. So they are saying melt into hair without leaving a trace, natural coconut oil tame frizz, soften and detangle to keep hair in line and restore silkiness. That is good. So this is anti-frizz leave-in conditioner. Sorry for my burp. So this is actually good to have because my hair is frizzy and like I need something like leave-in conditioner on my hair so that it can tame all my frizz. Also this one is for detangler, so it will act as a detangler as well and make your hair soft, so that is good. Next we can see is OUAI hair care wave spray, and this one is 1 fluid ounce, and they are saying it is a weightless texture mist for effortlessly thick undone hair. Okay, and I have heard about this this company but never tried any product, so it's good to have. So basically this is, wait a minute, wave spray. So basically this is okay, so you have to spray it on your hair and then it will going to, you know, give you like it will act as a serum. So okay, that's good. All right, so next I can see is Moroccanoil treatment for all hair type. I have, this is alcohol free. I have used this before and this is very good. If you haven't tried this, please do try because it is that good. And it is 0.5 fluid ounce, so it has like pretty good quantity. So yeah, this is actually very good. I have already tried it. It's awesome. So apply a small amount throughout damp or dry hair, style as usual. So yeah, you can do that. Now next what I can see this Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind shampoo and conditioner. I seriously wanna try these shampoo and conditioner because I also I have heard so good thing about these shampoo and conditioner. So I am definitely going to try these. These have no hard sulfate, silicone or paraben. It has matcha, I don't know how to pronounce, plus apple replenishing, I cannot read, super, matcha plus apple replenish, I cannot read today, matcha plus apple replenishing superfood shampoo. Okay, and these are 0.33 fluid ounce, which is good because I generally dilute my shampoo in water and then apply it, so it's pretty good size for my hair. Now next what I can see is DevaCurl Wave Maker Texture and Volume Mousse. So this is 100% sulfate, paraben, silicone free, style and shape. So this is the mousse before, like you can apply it before, you know, styling your hair, and this is 1.5 fluid ounce, which is good. Next we can see is Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, no hard sulfate, silicone and paraben, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So actually for so long I wanna try this, but this is little costly, so I don't wanna, you know, spend that much money in the deep conditioning mask. So it's good that they have included this in the value set. Now I can try it, and if I like, then I will definitely going to buy this because I have heard so many good things about this deep conditioning, and this is 98% naturally derived formula, so I am excited to try this actually. Now the next and the last product is VERB Sea Texture Cream. I think this is the smallest sample you will get in this value set, and this is, I cannot even read, this is amplifier plus refresh, and this is 0.25 fluid ounce, and this is from brand VERB. I don't know whether I have said this or not, and it is so tiny that I cannot even read the ingredients, direction, nothing. So this is the tiniest product you will get in this value set. So these are the 13 hair product which you will going to receive in your Sephora favorite hair Holy Grail summer essential. So overall I am pretty impressed with the product, whatever they have created in the summer set. If you want me to review any of the product, please let me know. I am definitely going to review. Also, I'll give you the link of the few product if they are available in Amazon, because I think this set is available only in US. So yeah, if you want me to review any of these, please let me know. But definitely I am going to try all of these, but I am excited to try deep conditioning. Also, I am excited to try their Briogeo Be Kind, Be Gentle shampoo and conditioner. Also, Amika's dry shampoo, because they are very popular. And also, I am going to try Living Proof Instant De-Frizzer. I am also planning to buy their shampoo and conditioner as well. So yeah, I am excited for that. I have already tried this Moroccanoil. This is the Holy Grail. Like, this is actually, if you have frizzy hair and if you wanna try, definitely try this. It works as a serum, so it's not that heavy. It's perfect. Now next, everything I'm going to try, obviously this is the heat protectant. I never heard about this, but yeah, it's good to have. There are like, also I'm going to try this way, and it is in the form of a spray, so it's good to have. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please let me know your thought about this value set. And if you are watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Gini. I make videos related to hair care, and it would be great if you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will going to get a notification. I generally upload every Thursday at 9 AM. So yeah, now I will going to see you on my next video. Till then, bye and keep growing your hair. I've been loved.